Hey guys, so nandito tayo sa Lipa. So pwede naman ang test ride dito ng kanilang big bike.
This is the new R7. This will be our first bike for today. Alright guys.
At the moment, okay, so last time we found out a Yamaha dealer was allowing test rides of their big bike units. This is quite surprising as most big bike dealers don't do test rides of their big bikes to just about anyone. At least those that we know of here in Metro Manila. So yeah, Throttle PHI and I wasted no time as we rushed to Lipa City where this Yamaha Rev Zone dealer is located. So yun, pwede naman naman ang test ride dito ng kanilang big bikes. And among those that we can use for that day, the all-new Yamaha R7. Okay, just a short backgrounder. After failing to catch up with the Euro 5 regulations, Yamaha decided to completely scrap one of their best-selling motorcycles of all time, the Yamaha R6. The well-loved R6 would continue its life as a track-only motorcycle in the European market. However, Yamaha released the YZF R7 as a replacement for the R6. However, it takes a slightly different approach to the super sport formula by offering a 2-cylinder engine instead of the typical 4. The R7 is based on the same platform as the Yamaha MT-07 and uses the same CP2 engine, a 689cc parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crankshaft powers the bike. Its highest power output is around 74 horsepower and it may not sound like an inline 4, but the 270 degrees surely gives the bike a very good grunt which is still pleasing to the ears. The R7's appearance is strikingly similar to the R6, still very aggressive looking super sport motorcycle that is definitely an eye-catcher. However, its basic specs and lack of a number of technologies such as ride modes and traction control, techs that are mostly present in other sports bikes, might put someone off. But with a price range that is half the price of an R1, it becomes twice as fun on the road, making this Yamaha Super Sport a very affordable bike to enthusiasts.
Alright guys, so this will be our first bike for today. Lalabas lang. This is the new R7 Yamaha. This is the same bike that was reviewed by JMac. We saw JMac earlier together with Sir J of GT Triumph. So kasama natin again si Throttle PHI, and we will be taking turns test riding this bike. Just to let you know, this is the very first Yamaha big bike that we would be trying. So we have tried Kawasaki, KTM, Royal Enfield, and Bristol. We haven't really tried Yamaha or Honda big bikes, so this is the first time. Quite curious tayo what the power is for this bike. This is the very first super sports or sports bike that we would be trying. Nasubukan na natin yung Ninja 650 and the Ninja 400, but they are considered sports tourer kasi sabi nila medyo mild pa yung pagkasubsub nito as compared sa R6. So we'll know. Alright. So, ito ang una sakay. So, tignan natin, may kill switch ba? Yeah, may kill switch, side stand switch. So, ooh! Yeah. Tahimik, stock pipe. Medyo matigas ng konti. Alright guys, oops, medyo mahirap lang yung iliko. Subsub siya, pero tolerable naman. So when you borrow the big bike, sasamahan ka ni kuya somewhere, sarap. How about the riding stance? I guess medyo nakakangala ito pag tumagal-tagal. Sub-sub nga eh. It's definitely a sports bike feel. Sarap, pero magaang siya, in fairness. It's not really light, but definitely it is not heavy. And maganda yung pickup niya. Sarap. Parang I want one. Ipit ang kamay ko dito. Ay, hirap lang iliko. Tsaka sumasakit ang bato ko. The dash, well, the dash panel is on the small side, pero okay naman, kita. The important thing is the gear indicator and the speed, and of course the fuel. Madali sungkitin yung neutral. Nahirapan lang ako kanina, pero after that madali na. Acceleration is quite fine. Hindi ko lang alam kung may quick shift to. Wala ata eh. As far as I can remember from JMAC, wala daw tong quick shift. Woo! Maganda yung pickup niya, in fairness. So I'm not sure if it is the same as the XSR 700. And if it is, maganda yung torque. Sabi nila kasi, at least sabi nila sila yon, characteristics daw ng Yamaha is that the torque seems to be not as far as the KTM in terms of low RPM torque. Pero so far with the R7, maganda yung pickup. So I wouldn't really complain about the acceleration of this one, although this is the first time that we tried a Yamaha, so we don't have any comparison. Pero yung pickup okay oh. Sarap. But definitely what I could probably say is that on long rides, probably you'll have a problem with your neck. Kakapagod sa leeg eh. Again, there's no quick shifter for this bike. Slipper clutch I guess, so meron. Woohoo! I love it. Sarap. Parang gusto ko mag-sports bike. Sarap. Nakakahabol pa ba si Carl? We're traveling 100 lagi. Woo! At the moment tayo. So we're currently test riding this R7 here sa Lipa.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life worth meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be.
Very grunty ang kanyang tunog, throaty. we're back. Yeah. I love this bike. Shut up.